Problem 32. A sailboat starts from rest and accelerates at a rate of 0.21 meters per second squared over a distance of 280 meters. Find the magnitude of the boat's final velocity. Find the time it takes the boat to travel this distance. We're going to write down some pieces of information given by the problem. It starts from rest. So the initial velocity is 0. It accelerates at a rate of 0.21 meters per second squared. So A equals 0.21 meters per second squared. The distance is 280 meters. Displacement and distance will have the same amount if you travel in one direction. So delta D is 280 meters. A, find the final velocity VF. And to do so, we're going to have to choose one of the 4 equations for accelerated motion. We're going to reject the first equation, even though it has VF, because it doesn't have delta D. The second equation, we have VF squared, that's unknown, but VI is 0, A is 0.21, and delta D is 280. So we have 3 numbers here and 1 unknown. If you have only 1 unknown, you can solve for it. So we're going to choose that equation, the second one. And then we're going to substitute any numbers we have. We don't have a number for VF. We have 0 for VI. A is 0.21. And delta D is 280. So VF squared is equal to, we enter that into the calculator, and that'll give us 117.6. And to solve for VF, we're going to square root both sides, and that'll give us 10.8 meters per second. Part B, solve for the time. Now in Part B, we need the time, and we have VI, A delta D. VI 0, A 0.21, delta D 280, and so the only unknown in this equation is the time. So we have 3 numbers and 1 unknown. We're going to choose the third equation. And we're going to substitute numbers in. Delta D is 280. VI is 0. Time is not known. 1/2 A 0.21 delta T squared. So 280 equals 0 times anything is 0, plus 0.105, which is 1/2 of 0.21 times the time squared. So this doesn't matter. And then we're going to divide both sides by 0.105 to isolate delta T. So delta T squared equals 266.6.7. And we're going to square root both sides. And that gives us delta T equals 51.6 seconds.